How to fix Windows 11 restarts automatically after shutdown. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, add your start type and recovery settings. For that, right click on the start icon and select settings option. In the settings window, click on system. Scroll down and click on about. Open it, and here you will get device specification. Under that, select Advanced System Settings, and now a System Properties window appears on your screen, where you have to click on the Startup and Recovery section. Here, you have to click on the Settings option, and you have to simply uncheck Automatically Restart option. Now click on OK button and confirm and close all the windows. Once you have saved these changes, you need to modify power management for network adapters. Again, right-click on the Start icon and select Device Manager. Locate Network Adapters, and you have to expand the section. Right-click on your internet or network connection, and simply you have to choose Properties. Now go to Power Management tab if you find that, and you have to simply on-check mark the option to allow the device to wake the computer, and then click OK and then close the window. Currently, I don't have that option, so I cannot do that. After that, you can simply go ahead to all the steps, that is restarting your system. Simply you can restart your system and the issue will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.